All right, this is Grange by ZZ Top. We're going to start out with this little intro here. Okay, so how I'm doing that is kind of a hybrid pick thing. I got my pick in these two fingers. I'm using the next two fingers for the twos on the D and G strings. Okay, so you do two of them and then they're kind of staggered. And then I'm gonna use this pick to hit the A bass note. And then I'm gonna switch this chord to the 5 on the D with the 2 on the G, so. And then another bass. And I'm going to flip that chord to 2 on the D and 5 on the G. So it's. And then I'm going to hit another A after that. And then you can even kind of slightly pull that to get like a quarter step bend out of it as you pull off to the 2s down here. Okay, so it's like. So it does that 3 times, and then it starts just going. So that's 3 and 5 on the A string, back to the chord kind of thing. Now you could, of course, just be going. So you don't have to hybrid pick this, but it is kind of cool if you can get that going. So once again, the intro. Okay, and he starts the verse in there, and it goes like 7 times, and it'll have a stop. And then we're going to go to the solo, and it's going to have this different rhythm. Basically the same rhythm, actually, but it's different chords I meant. So we got the C power chord. You could do it here, 8, 10, 10, or just 8, 10. You could also do it over here, 3 and 5. We're going to the E flat, 6, 8, to the F down here, and we're going to repeat that. So 2, 3, and C. F, C. Okay, when the solo's done, we're going to do the solo in a second, but when the solo's done, we have this. And then you're back in the beginning. Okay, so that's 5 on the D and 5 on the little E. So you go low, high, low, high, low, high 3 times, right? So we're going to switch to the 4th fret in the D string, 3rd fret, and then A bass. So 2 A's, boom, boom, 3, 4, 2 on the G string. So it's. Again, so 2, 3, let's do it twice in a row. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let's try the basic A rhythm too. We're gonna go to that 3 to 5. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to get into the solo in C. So what he does for these solos, he does the minor pentatonic scale. If it's in A, he's doing a solo. And the A solo that happens at the end of the song, he does a lot of those pinch harmonics, so listen for those. You could kind of just jam out. I'm not going to do that solo in this lesson. We're going to do the first solo in C minor pentatonic, but go ahead and give that one a shot. And try your pinch harmonics. That's where you really choke up on the end of the pick. Stuff like that, okay? So the solo in C, we're going to start out with this bend on the 11th fret of the 2nd string. That's bending into a C note. That's your good money note, your root note. So we're going to go. So these are triplets. We're going to go 8, 11, 8, and then 11, 8 to 10, and then 8 to 8 to 10. So that's 3 triplets. We got. Now the last triplet of this is 10, 8, 10. Then we're going to hit that 10 again in the new measure. So we got. So this is a cool bluesy riff. We got 8 to 10 quick slide on the A string, down to that 8 on the D. Quick slide down, 10 to 8 to 6. So we got. And we're going to slide back into that 10 on the D string. So it's. Now we're going to do the same slidey thing. But this time we're going to go into 2 10s and then one more quick 10, do a little sort of a bend on that 8 right there. So we got. So that was bum, 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 bum. Now here we have that same slidey thing. But then we're going to go 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. Okay, so we got. Okay, so as soon as we hit that low 8, we got the same thing with the extra 8, 6. So we come into the 10 on the D, 2 hits. And then we're going to slide into that 12, and we're going to go. So we hit the 12, and we're going to go back and forth between the 11 and 12, which happens a lot in this solo. So we're going to have. You go to the 11 4 times, so it's. Slide 12 to 10, a little bend on that 8 to the 10 over here. And we have another one of those slidey riffs. So here we have triplets after this 8. We got 8, and then we got 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So that's 8, and then 8, 6, 8, and then 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. And then we're going to get out of the triplets. So those are triplets. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And then we're going to go. We're going to go 10 on the A, and then 8, 10 on the D. Back to that lower 10. To the 10 on the D. To this 8. So it's. So the next measure is 10, 10, 10, 10, 8. So we have a bend on this 8, first finger. 8 to 10, and then kind of quicker from the bend into those notes. So let's look at what we got so far. We got. So here we're going to go into the 12 and the G, hit some 11s underneath it. We got 3 of them. And then we go back into the 12, 11. Now a new measure is going to go. We're going to hit the 12, 11, go down a fret, slide into it, and then hit an 11. So that's 1, 2, and. So we got. And then. So we slide down 12 to 10 and then go to the 8. Bend the 10 up. Now this is a really fast, difficult riff. It's triplets. It's 8, 8 to 11, and then pull off 10 to 8, and then 8, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 8. So you might get a little hybrid picking going in there. Okay, and then we're gonna have. So this is a triplet, 8, 10, 8, 10, 9, 8, 6. So it's 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4 and 8, 6, 8 there. So we have a slide. We have a few 8s there. Typical slide down thing. 2 10s up here. Okay, let's look at everything again. We got. Okay, now we're gonna get into this repetitive thing. We're gonna go 10 into the 12, quick slide, and we're gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna use that second finger there, get a hybrid picking going on it, so it's gonna go. So this is actually 6 of these 11s you'll hear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it starts a repetitive lick where we're only gonna hear 5 of those 11s. So that one started a little bit earlier than this next one will, and this one's gonna go 3 times. So the first one was. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this next one, 1, 2, slide down. So, and we're gonna hold that one for 2 beats. Then we're gonna get back into this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one's just gonna go 1, 2, and then we're back into the 5 thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the end thing is. Okay, so this one does a 1, 2 of the 11s, and then just 1 11, 1 11, 1 11. So it ends up being. You go down to 12, 10, 8 to 10. Now the riff that leads us into the goes 8 to 9 on the G, and then 8, 10, and then a little 8. So I'm gonna try the whole solo one time. We got. All right, the Grange, ZZ Top. Like I said, that second solo, you're gonna get back in that A thing. So have some fun jamming on that. Try your pinch harmonics out. But this is this first solo was so tasty and kind of easy to follow because it has triplets and things like that. It has some of the same slidey riffs and bluesy riffs. So 2 pages of tabs on that. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.